Assignment on e-learning materials on cerebral palsy in terms of therapy strategy and counseling. Now history. At the end of the 19th century, Sigmund Freud and Sir William Olson both began to contribute important perspectives on cerebral palsy. Originally described by Little in 1816 were definition. Cerebral palsy is a group of permanent disorder of movement and postures causing activity imitation that are attributed to non-progressive disturbance in the developing fetal and infant brain. Cerebral palsy refers to permanent, non-progressive and occasionally evolving disorder of tone, movement or postures caused by an insult to the developing brain. Demography. Prevalence 1 to 3 by 1000. Incidence over past 4 decades unchanged 3.6 per 1000. Male is to female of 1 is to 4 is to 1. Now the motor disorder are often accompanied by distance of sensation, perception, cognition, communication, behavior, epilepsy, secondary mucoskeletal problem. Etiology of cerebral palsy: genetics or prenatal, structure malformation of nervous system, congenital or intrauterine infection, maternal or obstetric complication, and tetrogenes. Peripheral: birth asphyxia, prematurity, low birth weight, birth trauma, intracranial hemorrhage, hyperbilirubinemia, and hyperglycemia. Central nervous system infection. Postnatal: CNS infection, hypoxia, trauma, and toxin. Pathogenesis. Term babies without perinatal hypoxia, inflammatory mediators, maternal illness, fetal or neonatal is the main cause to affect brain development. Preterm babies, multiple risk factors, aponia, hyperbilirubinemia and hypoxia, metabolic problems. Clinical manifestations. The most common presentation is with developmental delay. Physical findings are persistence of neonatal reflex, increased tone, fasting with cortical thumb, cirrhosis of legs, toe walking, abnormal postures and joint, abnormal movements and or hyperreflexia. Common comorbidities include intellectual disability, microcephaly, seizures, behavior problems, difficulty in speech, language, swallowing or feeding, blindness, deafness, sleep disturbance, and excessive drooling. Now some pictures. Etiology of cerebral palsy. Low birth weight 30 to 40%, metabolic errors 5%, infection 5 to 10%, congenital brain abnormality 5 to 10%, intrapatrum asphyxia 9%, genetic and chromosomal 2 to 5%, and other maternal factor etc 22.5%. Classification. Physiological, topographical, functional, and etiology. Physiological classification. Based on abnormal tone noted examination, aspects 70 to 80% of all CP, dyskinetics 10 to 15%, ataxic, atonic and hypotonic, and mixed. Monoplegia, hemiplegia, traplegia, tetraplegia, diplegia, paraplegia, double hemiplegia. Gross motor function classification system. Level 1 function ambulatory in all sitting. Second, level 2 works without aids but has limitation in community setting. Level 3 works with aids. Level 4 mobility requires wheelchairs or adult assist. And level 4 dependent for mobility. Hemiplegic 25%, middle cerebral RT, involvement of arm and legs on slides, motor handicaps least likely to be disabling. Intelligence is normal to dull. 25% cognitive abnormality. 1 to 3 have seizures. Spastic quadriplegia, most common, involves all 4 limbs, bilateral hemispheres involvement. Severely impaired and intellectual disability often have verbal symptoms. Pathology have high risks of associated learning disability and epilepsy. Hypotonic in early infancy, later spasticity emergence. Diplegic little diseases. Classical form 10 to 33% of all CP cases involves legs more than arms. Hypotonia, spasticity often associated with premature birth. 11 to 20% are severely impaired. Intellectual disability not so profound, have learning disability and vision problems. Extrapyramidal cerebral palsy, defects of postures, involuntary movements, orthosis, dystonia, ataxia and hypertonous rigidity. Hallmark of bilirubin and encephalopathy. Ethetoid, 50 to 20% of CP cases, involuntary purposeless movements of arms and trunk. Affect virtually all coordinated movements. Have hypotonia, poor head control and head leg. Develop rigidity and dystonia over several years. Ataxia 10%. Cerebellum, poor balance and lack of coordination, so hypotonia and very delayed motor development. Hydrotherapy is enjoyed by children. Early pointers of CP. Consistent fasting of hand beyond 2 months. Persistence of AT&R mororeflex. Persistence tone abnormalities. Facility of movement. Excessive or disorganized movement. Hypertension of head and neck. Stereotype behavior, feeding difficulties, slowing, delayed social smile. Clinical features. Muscle weakness, spasticity, loss of coordination, developmental delay. Signs and symptoms of cerebral palsy. Persistence of primitive reflex, weakness in limbs, standing and walking on toes and abnormal joint slowing difficulties, poor control over hand and arms movements, soaring and arcing of body and cortical twisting. Common sign, bunny hopping and double sitting. Signs and symptoms of cerebral palsy. Cognitive impairment, short speech, lack of muscle control, lack of bowel control. Associated problem with CP, intellectual disability, common seizures disorder, visual and visual motor abnormalities, deafness, speech and learning defects, behavior problems, and psychological assessment, visual assessment, hearing assessment, mental assessment, diagnosis of cerebral palsy. Now some picture management, investigation, neuroimaging, metabolic work up to rule out inborn error or metabolism. Counseling before treatment. Not progressive. Affects voluntary muscles. Normal life expectancy. Follow-up. Prevention. Good obstetrics care. Prevention of intrauterine infection. Prevention of birth asphyxia. Take home massage. CP disorder of movement and posture. Non-progressive. Associated disorder. Counseling of parents. Supportive care. Physiotherapy. Surgery when required. Now some video of cerebral palsy, speech therapy for child with cerebral palsy.
घूमने गया 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 हाँ था पापा अच्छे हैं मम्मा अच्छी देखे हैं बाबू अच्छा है आज मैं नहाया था पापा नहलाते हैं मैंने खाना खाया है मम्मा जोर से मम्मा नीचे
क्या हुआ रे?